welcome to school 2. School 2. I knew it.
How much did you even invest into MMM? 200,000 has no money. That's no money. I invested 2 million. 2 million. And out of the 2 million, it's only 100,000 that is my own. 1.9
Pick up, put it down.
And you know what? By the end of this month, they are collecting money.
When is he coming back? When did they come back? Don't they talk?
If they will come, if they don't come, I will drink poison. I've already buy poison. I've already buy poison.
Madam! I knew it!
MMM is back!
Wait!
MMM!
Wait!
Am I hearing? MMM is back.
Oh,
Hey.
God,
Are you serious?
MMM is back. I got you back. That is MMM now. Mary, Martha, and Mark.
What? Jesus is Lord!
Is that not MMM? Mary, Martha, and Mark.
Hi guys, I'm Queen of Dublin. My name is Favor Malongo. I came from Dublin.
Yeah, man.
And I'm here in Nigeria. I'm enjoying myself.
That's it. So please keep watching our YouTube channel.
School 2.
Yes, that's what's on board right now. School 2. Yeah. So please subscribe to our channel, YouTube. School 2. That's what's on the block right now. Please keep watching. Yeah, we love you guys, man. We love you all the way. Africa, Nigeria, everywhere, all over the world. Yeah, man. You know how we do.
School 2.